How to reset password on NanoBanana.ai. Resetting a password on NanoBanana is different from traditional platforms. That's because NanoBanana.ai doesn't use fixed passwords at all. Instead, it relies on a secure 6-digit verification code system each time you log in. Open your preferred web browser and visit the NanoBanana.ai website. Then click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. On the login screen, you will see two options: Google Sign In and Email Sign In. If you choose Google Sign In, simply log in with your Google account credentials. If you choose Email Sign In, type in your email address in the field provided. Next, click the Send Verification Code button. A unique 6-digit code will be sent instantly to your email inbox. Open your email, copy the code and return to the nanobanana.ai login page. Paste the code into the verification box and click Submit. You will now be logged in securely without needing a password. Since NanoBanana.ai uses verification codes, there's no traditional reset option. This process doubles as both login and account recovery, keeping things simple and secure. Now you know how to access your NanoBanana.ai account without resetting a password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.